Hey everybody, this is Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. We are going to be making chicken chow mein today. I'm trying to find the right light. I think that's right. Anyway, I'm going to make chicken chow mein, and it's the first timer. I like the hair. It's not pinkish orange anymore. It's, once it lightens up from all the bleach, it'll be my natural color, which is like a dark strawberry blonde. So anyway, I'm going to show you what we're going to need in this, and you'll have to excuse my fancy storage containers because, you know, I'm country around here, even though I'm living in the city. I'm country. And cornstarch written on a container is just fine for me. I don't have to have no fancy, I mean, I got Cricut and everything because I do t-shirts, but I don't have to have it on my containers. I don't have to have all my containers match. Nah, because you're cooking. Nobody sees that crap. So anyway, I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we need. Okay, we're going to need chicken, carrots. I do freeze my carrots. That's why there's a brown spot. It's because it's a skin. I'll get that off before I do anything. An onion, salt, vegetable oil, sesame oil, oyster sauce, liquid aminos, my fancy container of cornstarch, garlic, cabbage, and green onions. And I do freeze my green onions also. It's nothing worse than getting your vegetables and stuff, and then yeah, they go in bad. So what I do is I cut them up, I freeze them. Yeah, when they come out, they're a little soft, but it's okay. Because what I do with them, I cook with them. So they're gonna get soft anyway. So we don't eat raw carrots around here. So if I'm gonna do a roast, I can just toss them in a roast frozen. If I'm doing something with onions, I can take them out and thaw them out. But 9 times out of 10, I'm throwing them in something. So anyway, so we're gonna get to cooking. is dinner. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all try it. It's pretty easy to make. It's taken me a total of maybe 30, 45 minutes to make it. And that's cutting up the vegetables. Normally you grate them. Anyway, I hope y'all have a safe, wonderful, blessed day, and I will see y'all later. Bye.